In this short video, I'm going to show two animations that generated with AI and made with human-made animation with Scratch to see who is better. So, here we go.
It's a long story.
Flashback.
Poor thing! Are you okay? There, little thing. Are you okay? There. Better? What's this? Please take care of my child. Huh. So that's why you're the only one who survived after this fiery war. It's very nice to meet you, Neva. And don't worry, little one. I'm going to take care of you, and then we're gonna find your parents soon. My name is Kemmer, and I really love the critters. Come on, we're gonna have a great time together.
And a flashback. Huh. So that's why you rescued this baby from this invaded village. But I miss my parents ever since when I was a kid. Which one do you prefer? The crappy AI slop animation? Or do you rather prefer the human animation? Leave us in the comments and support human animation at work. Okay, thanks for watching, bye.